What is going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel. Early morning, the Walmart run. Hopefully we can find some cool looking diecasts. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, great day. As for me, back on the hunt, the grind. Yeah, see what we can find at the Wally. See if they put out anything. But yeah, plan on just hitting a Walmart, maybe a Target and a grocery store. Further ado, next stop, diecast. Let's go, guys. See what they put out. Let's go. Dump bin looks the same. Looks like it's been trashed up. Look at that. See if they put out new premiums. Something cool, hopefully something new. Looks the same. Oh man. That one's new. Oh wow, they put up some new M2s. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got. That one's cool. What else is there? Any chases up in here? Daytona. I like this. This is pretty cool, man. The Maui. That truck is cool looking. Whoa. See. I don't see anything. Let's see. What is this? Oh man. Hate when it drops the Hurst shifters, huh? They got some bigger scales here. The Datsun. Look at that. Man, that is sick, yo. The Datsun, the bigger scale. Is there a chase in here? Can we find a chase? That'd be sweet if there was a chase, right? There's the ground pounders. The 57 Chevy 150 sedan. Look at that, man. It looks freaking sick though, huh? That looks sick, yo. There's another one right there too. Those are new. We haven't seen those. Along with the Datsun. That one's pretty cool. It's cool to see some new M2s. Kind of looking around still, see what they have up there. But yeah, these are neat. They got some new ones. Let's see here. That was cool. These are nice looking, yo. These are nice. Look at that. That is sick. I don't see no chases, but look at that. That one's cool looking, yo. That back there. And there's like 3 of those. That was nice too. I do like this truck though. I like the artwork on this design, man. Those are cool. Those are cool looking. What else do they got here? Kind of look around. What the heck is that? Oh, let's see. King of Crunch. Couple of those. Oh, they put out some more of these sets, yo. Look at that. They put out more of these M2 sets. Wow, they put out 2 more sets of the M2s, guys. Look at that. See if we can find a chase, maybe. You know when they're fresh like this, they have the haven't been open. Let's see. It's like last time we opened some of them. No chase. Yo, that one's sweet, yo. Somebody's gonna be happy with these. I already have the set, so I'm not even bothered. I'm not even gonna bother with these because I already have the set. So we're just looking for a chase. That'd be sweet. Nice. The frozen black pearl. Nice pickup. Fortunately, there's no chases in here. Man, they're hard. They're hard to find. To pull out of these. But it's cool to see them back on the shelf. These are going to be gone in a quick beat, man. People are going to get happy with those. There's 2 complete sets there. Let's see what else is back here. I don't see nothing else. He's been here for ready. See, that's what I see new. See these. I think we already seen these already. These are new. These are bigger scale. These are new. These are new for here. This was cool. Don't collect those, but those are cool. But yeah, man, that is cool. Look at the flames on that. That's badass. Freaking sick. That is sick, yo. Same with this one. That was just cool looking. See what else we can find. I almost missed that. We already seen all those already. We already seen all those. 2-pack monster trucks. Let's see here. That's about it, guys. They don't have nothing too crazy. These are the same old Hot Wheels that have been here for a minute. That one's not supposed to be there. But yeah, we're gonna move it on down. Probably hit up another store maybe. Next stop, let's go. Let's hit the grocery store. But yeah, it's good to see 2 complete sets of the Frozen Pearl. Cool looking M2s right here. So let's get out of here. All right, YouTube fam. We just rolled up on our second Wally. That's right, the second one more today. Let's see what this one has to offer. Let's go. Next stop, Tigers. All right, YouTube fam. So we made it inside the Wally. Let me tell you, they got some Pro Street 66 Mustang Fastback in pink. What else? These are new. Haven't seen these yet. There's another Ford Mustang and the Camaro up there. What else do they got? They got 2 back there. No chases, of course. I don't see any chases. I'll put these back right there. Let's see. Got some smaller scale here. The Ford Mustang Gasher. That one's pretty cool looking. The Chevrolet. That one's cool. What the heck is this, yo? Somebody swapped this, yo, with the truck. Freaking ridiculous, yo. Yeah, sick. What else? That one's nice. Can't believe they swapped this, yo. Check it out. That's freaking ridiculous. Telling you. Got some cool looking trucks there. That's cool. Let's see here. Put those right there. Another cool looking truck. That one's cool. The Willie Coupe. That one's cool. What's up? What else do they got? They got some bigger scales, pinks up here. Here's the Mustang Shelby GT500. Ford GT. The Mustang Dark Horse. The Volkswagen Transporter T1 pickup. We got these sets here. The Porsche for $31. Ew. Let's see. I think these already been here for a minute. Those been here for a minute. Yeah. Already seen all those. All those. Move it on down. See what they got over here. There's some Fast and Furious in the bottom there. Tech decks. Ooh, this one's sick. Yo, look at this. Look at this. What? That one's cool looking. A Max Canoe. Global Racer Cup. New for 2024. That one's pretty neat, guys. That's sick. Buggy. Got the Monster Jams. Monster trucks. That was cool. Else they got Hot Wheels been the same. These been here for a very long time. Kind of beat up. It's been here for a long time. But yeah, this is what they have at the Wally. This one's pretty cool looking for some reason. I don't know, it's catching my eye. Look at that, that's weird. It's catching my eye. Hot Wheel Legend Tour. Put these on clearance, 13. So. Yeah, we're gonna get out of here, guys, and probably just move it on down somewhere else. That's a damn shame they swapped that truck. People are clever now these days. All right, guys, let's get out of here. Well, YouTube fam, first Target of the day. Let's see what this Target has to offer today. Let's go. Alright, look at this cool looking Volkswagen Beetle, man. That is sick. Love the paint job on it. Deadpool. That's a sick Porsche. Don't see the Fleetline tune. That one's cool. Let's have here. Matchbox moving parts. We already seen those. And don't see nothing too crazy. Dang, no premiums at all. Some of the Hot Wheels have been here already. He's already been here already. Yeah, he already been here. What else they got here? So nothing too crazy here. Nothing here at all. Alright guys, let's get out of here. Move it on down. Let's go. Alright, YouTube fam, made it into the second Target of the day. Yeah, we got a few Hot Wheels. Nothing crazy here though. Pretty been picked through. 5 packs are looking pretty steep there. Premiums. Fast and Furious. They got the cool Batman van. Here's the Turtles. Cool to see. What else they got here? Ultra Hots. Same old Ultra Hots. What else? Man, that was nice. The Charger. Skyline. That is sick. What else they have here? Already seen all this before. Nothing too crazy. Let's see here. Yep. Yellow spoon. That one's pretty cool. Trying to got anything, nothing crazy around here. Oh, look at this portion yellow. It's nice. Another Porsche right there. Sick. Hyper Spec. That was nice too. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for coming along on this journey. Good luck on your hunts, and I am out, guys. Till then, take care. Peace.